3, 2, 1.
Which disease was eradicated through a worldwide vaccination campaign in the late 1970s? The answer is A. Smallpox. I'm old and wise, but always hungry and thirsty. What am I? The answer is C. Library. I'm used in games, but not edible, has holes and bounces easily. What am I? The answer is B. Swiss cheese. Melting ice and grinding wood into sawdust are examples of what? The answer is C. Physical changes. A small ice cube at a temperature of 0 degrees C is dropped into the glass of water at 28 degrees C and melts. What is the temperature of the water in the glass just after the ice cube melts? The answer is B. Between 0 degrees C and 28 degrees C. An atom that gains or loses electrons is called what? The answer is A. Ion. Which hormone is secreted by the pancreas in a human body? The answer is B. Insulin. What is the official state animal of Connecticut? The answer is C. The sperm whale. A notochord has in common with what vertebrate structure? The answer is A. Spinal cord. Which is the only country that drives on the left-hand side of the road, with the exception of Australia and the UK? The answer is C. Ireland. Tapeworms are what type of flatworms? The answer is A. Parasitic. What must molecules have to be cis-trans isomers? The answer is A. Double bond. I travel through pipes, eat mushrooms, and dodge turtles. What am I? The answer is C. A video game character. Which of these is not a type of cheese? The answer is D. Cheddar pizza. Which of these U.S. presidents had the shortest tenure? The answer is A. James A. Garfield. I'm small enough to fit in your pocket, but can help you reach the stars. What am I? The answer is A. Telescope. Many species secrete a hard external skeleton of what? The answer is D. Calcium carbonate. I'm always blind, yet I can see. What am I? The answer is B. Cloud. I stand tall with 3 blades and no wind. What am I? The answer is D. Sailboat. What late 1980s, early 1990s sitcom did Walter Cronkite appear on? The answer is B. Murphy Brown. In the soap opera Days of Our Lives, Kristen Blake walked into Dr. Robin's office pretending to be pregnant by wearing what object? The answer is B. A pillow. I can play games and browse the web, yet I don't need a chair. What am I? The answer is A. Laptop. What ocean has the highest tides? The answer is A. Bay of Fundy. What is a bright orange vegetable that is rich in vitamin A and C? The answer is A. Carrot. What does lattice energy of an ionic solid measure the strength of? The answer is C. Bonds. Which tool is used to measure the diameter of a dime? The answer is A. Ruler. What English rock band recorded the 1971 song July Morning? The answer is B. Uriah Heep. Which of these is not a piece of archery equipment? The answer is D. Sword. What are the anatomical differences between African elephants and Asian elephants?
The answer is B. All of these.
What is used to clean floors in the house? The answer is A. Mop. I'm chased by a shark and a tiger, but I never get wet. What am I? The answer is A. The Life of Pi boat. What part of the plant holds the plant upright? The answer is D. The stem. What is the deepest dive by a human? The answer is D. 950 meters. I am often eaten raw and juicy. What am I? The answer is C. Grape. A mother has 6 daughters and each of them has a brother. How many children are there?
The answer is B. 7.
During the administration of which U.S. president, the last to be given lifetime Secret Service protection, were 3 attacks carried out against the White House? The answer is D. William J. Clinton. Similar to the coil on a stove, changes in what reflect an increase in the temperature of a star? The answer is C. Color. Which is the most cooperative relationship between species? The answer is A. Mutualism. Edgar Allan Poe is known to be the father of detective stories. What was he often characterized as? The answer is B, alcoholic. The Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America, is located in which U.S. valley? The answer is C, Death Valley. Tropical rainforest, temperate grassland, and tundra are examples of what type of biomass? The answer is C, terrestrial. What is the most common way to classify stars? The answer is C, by color. Which band sings Stairway to Heaven?
The answer is B, Led Zeppelin.
What is the jelly-like material in which the contents of the cell are suspended? The answer is B, cytosol. I'm played by pressing keys, but have no fingers. What am I? The answer is A, piano. Brian, the hyperactive and irritating waiter in the movie Office Space, worked at which restaurant? The answer is A, tchotchkes. Which of these is not a type of suit? The answer is D, kills. Which cell contains genetic material? The answer is D, nucleated cell. Gerald R. Ford nearly ran on the Republican ticket as a vice president in what year? The answer is A, 1980. What cleans a bathroom floor?